Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to invest in Perler. First, understand that Perler is an Australian investing platform focused on helping you build long-term wealth. It's designed for those who want to automate their investments and track their financial goals effectively. You can easily invest in a variety of exchange-traded funds and even individual stocks, making it a versatile choice for many investors. Getting started is straightforward. You'll need to create your account by providing some basic personal details and verifying your identity, which is a standard security measure. Once your account is set up, link your preferred bank account. This allows for easy deposits to fund your investments and convenient withdrawals when needed. Consider setting up recurring deposits to automate your savings and investing journey. Now, let's talk about choosing your investments. Perler offers access to a broad selection of exchange-traded funds, or ETF, which are great for diversification. Before investing, think about your financial goals and how much risk you're comfortable taking. Perler provides helpful tools and resources to research different options, allowing you to make informed decisions that align with your personal investment strategy. Perler also offers some fantastic advanced features. You can track your investment progress with detailed performance reports, giving you clear insights into your portfolio's growth. Plus, connect with other investors in the supportive Perler community to share insights and learn. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.